Are you tired of scrolling through a dozen Search 1, Search 2, and Search 3 lists in Xero? I know I was. You save a customer search, give it no thought, and then a week later you have no idea which list has your high-value clients or which one filters for last month's orders. It wastes so much time. Here's the good news. You can rename any saved search in about 30 seconds, and once you do, you'll find the right list instantly. No more guessing. So here's the plan. I'm going to walk you through exactly where to click inside Xero to rename any one of those saved customer searches. Just follow along step by step, and you'll be done before you know it. First things first, go ahead and log into your Xero account. Make sure you're in the right organization if you have more than one. That's your starting point. Once you're logged in, look at the top menu and click on Contacts. Not the sub-menu, just the main Contacts option. This opens up your whole contact list. Now, from that list, click on All Contacts. This is where you see every single person and company you do business with. But we're not here to browse. We're here to clean up those saved searches. In the top right area of the screen, you'll see a button that says Smart Lists. Click on that. Smart Lists are just Xero's fancy name for saved search filters. And right now, yours probably look like a messy pile of Search 1 and Search 5. So now you'll see a panel open up with all your saved Smart Lists. Scroll through them and find the one you want to rename. Let's say it's that Search 3 you made a while back. Click on it to open it up. This will load the results of that search, but more importantly, it gives you the tools to edit it. All right, here's the trick. Look just below the search name, near the top of that panel. You'll see a small button labeled Options. Click that. It's easy to miss if you're not looking for it. A drop-down menu appears. From that menu, choose the option that says Rename Saved Search. This is the key step. Most people never see this button, and that's why their lists stay stuck with terrible names. Now you can type in whatever new name makes sense. Be descriptive. Instead of Search 3, try something like VIP Clients for December or Overdue Invoices from last quarter. Make it obvious what that search does just by reading the name. This is where the magic happens. You're turning a confusing list into a tool you can actually use. You don't want to rename it to something you'll still have to guess about later. When you're happy, click the Save button. It might take a second for Xero to update, but usually it's instant. And here's the really important part. Verify that the rename worked. Close the Smart List panel, then open it again. Scroll down to where your list was. Now you should see that new, clear name sitting there instead of Search 3. Give yourself a little nod of satisfaction. Once you get the hang of this, go ahead and repeat the process for any other lists you have. You can rename 2 or 3 in a minute, and that's it. No more wasting time clicking through mystery searches. So the next time you log into Xero and need to pull up a customer group, you'll know exactly where to click. You'll have clean, descriptive names that make you look organized, even if you're just getting started. And all it took was a few clicks. Thanks for following along. Rename those lists, save yourself some time, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.